Hello everyone, I am Sachin. Today I am going to talk about Google Street View in Map, and this is the feature. If I hover the mouse right, you can see here. This is the guy Street View image. All right. So this feature I'm going to talk about how can we use this feature. This feature is not new one. This has launched in India 4 months back. So that time this feature launched for 10 cities. Now it's available around 50 cities, and most of the people they are not aware about this feature. And even I got to know about this feature recently, hence I thought to create one video. So there would be multiple use cases for this feature, like if you're the traveler, then you will come to know about that place, much earlier, how that place looks like, how the street view. And if you want to explain any place to anyone, so they can easily understand using by this feature. This feature is really amazing. So let's see the demo how this feature looks like. And so there's a one way you can hover the mouse, you can see it left hand side and more, and here is street view, and other way you can see the right hand side at below. Even you can click here as well, so I'm clicking here. Either way, just click. When you click right, automatically dark green, you will see the spots on the map. And let me close this. So this is all over the world. You can see here. Even if you want to see the streets of the US, you can go. If I click US right, this is the road you can see. All right, how that street looks like. All right, so this is the US. You can access from India as well. You can see the street in the US and other country as well. So let me come back because I'm going to talk about India. This feature is available a couple of years back in US, Canada, and some other places. So in India, right, I came in India map, and right now I'm in Bangalore city. So if I click somewhere right, I can see the videos of the Bangalore city. See, there's a flyover somewhere, and it's working, very well way. All right. And one more things, right? If you want to go somewhere, like I can say Vidhan Sabha in Bangalore, Vidhan Sabha, and it's also called Vidhan Saudha. If I click here on the street, and here we can see this Vidhan Saudha is very beautiful place in Bangalore, and many people they are already aware who belongs from the Bangalore city. Okay, and if you go here, you can see the places, Ambedkar Metro, and this road name also Dr. Ambedkar Road. You can see here. This is really good feature. Like if you want to visit any places, and you can just walk through to any friend, like you are aware about that road, and just you can open the map. You can explain like this way. You can go. Any person who see the picture, it's good, good memorable things. One more thing, let me show you. You can see here, this you cannot see the numbers of any auto because of security point of view, as well as the people faces has been masked, you cannot see. And so this map is given by Google, and along with Google there is a two more companies. They are working to you know recording the videos, putting the images into the Google map. So company name is Genesis International and the Tech Mahindra, just for knowledge purpose. And this feature would have been come earlier in India, but because of some security issue, the government was not allowing to capture the images and capture the videos of India cities. So now there's some agreement, and now they came back few months back, and they have started recording the cities videos, and they are keep uploading. So as of now, around 50 cities it has been covered, and let's see They will cover many more cities in India. Thank you so much. That's what I want to cover in this video. Alright, if you are not aware, just have a look, just play with this feature. I am sure you will enjoy. Thank you.